Close your eyes and get ready to rest. You have been running through this dense redwood forest for an hour. You notice that it smells like an old, fallen tree, half buried in moss. It also smells a little earthy, almost dusty, because not much rain makes it to the bottom of a redwood forest. You keep walking, feel the soil below your feet as you took off your shoes a little while ago. When suddenly, wait, what is that? Could it be a forest lake? You stop and rest for a while to cool down your feet in the crystal clear water. Suddenly, a stag leaves the forest and walks across to drink from the lake that is still covered in early morning mist. He notices you but isn't scared. Then he walks off slowly and peacefully, while sniffing out a few leaves on its way. You remain in the same spot and enjoy the view and this precious experience. Then you lay down on your back, enjoy the sun, and fall asleep.